Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing. Alright, in today's video, we're going to draw vegetables named leeks. Right, let's jump to the paper together. Alright, okay guys, and in today's video, we're going to draw leeks. So yes, I need you to follow me. So at the beginning, I need you to draw something like this line, this curve line. Alright, so I'm start from here like this. So from here like this all the way down, then you have this. All right, okay, then after that you can continue like from here like this. All right, then all the way up like this. All right, okay, after that you can just continue like this and then do like this. Right, okay, after you have this, then you can continue to make the other part. So from this part you can go like this from here, then make a curve line like this. Right, then from here you can have this curve line again like this. All right guys, looks okay. All right, then after that continue from here, you have this line and then give a small like a jittery line like this. Then after that you connect to this. All right, good. All right, then continue to do the same thing here. So from here, so like jittery line here, and then you connect to this line to this part. Okay, after that here the last one I make it like at the middle. So from here can go like jittery line like this and then go here. All right, looks perfect guys. All right guys, and I will go to the fun part, and I need to add facial. So I will give a face. So this is the eyes here, and then also here. All right, the eyes. Then after that I give black eyes here, so just give like this. Right, then after that here also. All right, okay, then I will give a smiley mat here like right. Okay, after that I go to the fun part, which is I give a red color to the cheeks. So here it's like this. Okay, then the other one here. All right guys, I think this is the shape of the vegetable leeks name. So continue the coloring process and then you guys can follow. Let's go. Okay guys, this is the final result of leeks. So hope you guys learned something today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye guys, thank you so much.